Hello and welcome to the video. Today we will be going back to basics and learning how to build a natural hair regimen for length retention and health. Every now and again we have to check in and take a critical look at our regimen. What should we eliminate? What should we add? How can we maximize the health of our hair with the least time invested? We are all very busy, and like all self-respecting, impatient people, we want the most benefit with as little stress as possible. Lots of us want to find a simple regimen that is geared towards retaining length long-term while also improving the health of our natural hair. There are already more than a few hair regimens floating around the internet, but from experience, I know we could never have enough practical guides to follow. So with that in mind, let's begin. Step 1. Choose products that you will need. Shampoo. You will need two types. One that clarifies your hair and scalp, removing all impurities. This will usually contain sulfates, which cleanse your hair and scalp thoroughly. A word of caution. Many people find that sulfate-containing shampoos are quite drying for regular use, but they're still necessary for deep cleans. For your second shampoo, you may want to opt for a sulfate-free option. This is the one you will use regularly. You can do your own research on the best brands for you. Conditioner. Conditioners are universally amazing. However, we suggest using conditioners that are silicone-free. This is so that you can avoid the build-up requiring regular use of the drying, clarifying shampoos in the first place. There are a ton of great conditioners on the market, but you may want to go for one that isn't disrespectful on your pocket, as you will be using a lot of it. Deep conditioner. You can purchase your deep conditioner, or you can make one with a conditioner you already have. To make a deep conditioner, all you need to do is add product-enhancing ingredients like olive oil, honey, or even a commercial protein concentrate to some cheap conditioner. Add the ingredients depending on what your hair needs at the time. Leave-in conditioner. Always go for water-based leave-in conditioners, which will have the first ingredient listed as water. Pick the best one you can find based on what your hair needs. If you don't know much about your hair yet, it's a good idea to get a leave-in conditioner with protein in it and another one that does not have protein. This is so you can have a choice based on how your strands are feeling as you learn more about your hair. In no time, it will become second nature. Oil or hair butter. You will need an oil or hair butter for many things. For sealing your ends, to make pre-poos, to help remove twists or braids, or even to add to conditioners when you want them to be more moisturizing. We suggest coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil for variety. But grapeseed oil and castor oil are great too if you prefer something a bit different. The key is getting creative and listening to what your hair needs. If your hair feels weak, you need protein. In this case, eggs, gelatin, or commercial protein concentrates are great additions to your mix. If your hair needs moisture, avocado, honey, or olive oil are great additions to create a moisture-rich conditioner. Step 2. Decide on what you will do and when. Your hair and scalp must be cleansed at some point for healthy growing hair to be maintained. You must have a wash day either every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. So pick your poison. Think about your lifestyle. Do you work out often? Do you want a protective style 90% of the time and cleanse just once a month? Do you use a lot of gel? All these things will play a part in what you decide. Regardless of which one you choose, you will do the same thing on every wash day. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a like, and a sub to the channel would be amazing too. Now, back to the video. Step 3. To pre-poo or not to pre-poo. Now, it's time to get wash day started. Pre-pooing is a form of pre-conditioning. It is typically done before you shampoo. Here is how you decide if you need one or not. If you plan on using shampoo that has sulfates in it, then doing a simple pre-poo can lessen the drying effects of the sulfates on your hair. Since pre-poos are very similar to deep conditioning, if you plan to use ingredients like eggs, avocado, or other hard-to-rinse conditioning agents, it might be easier to condition with a pre-poo first, cleanse next, and then recondition your hair with a basic conditioner afterwards. An example of a very simple pre-poo is one that takes just one ingredient, oil. It is also known as a hot oil treatment. Despite the name of the treatment, all you need is warm, not hot oil. You can choose any oil really. Apply it to your damp hair and let it sit for around 20 minutes, after which you can move on to cleansing. Step 4. Cleanse and condition. Cleansing and conditioning are the meat and potatoes of any regimen. Cleansing your hair and scalp can be done every week, 2 weeks, or monthly, depending on what you chose in Step 2. Cleanse your scalp in sections using the balls of your fingers to get rid of dirt and build-up, and repeat as many times as it takes to ensure that your hair and scalp are thoroughly cleansed. Condition your hair right after cleansing. Use a cheap conditioner first on each section so that you can detangle your hair while in the shower. Detangle each section using your fingers, a wide-tooth comb, and the shower stream. Then twist the section. Rinse each section while twisted and move on to deep conditioning. If you didn't pre-poo, then add the deep conditioner to each section of your hair, ensuring to retwist each one as you go along to keep your hair detangled. Always deep condition using heat. This means using a plastic cap and sitting under a dryer for 20 minutes, steaming your hair with a hair steamer, or even wrapping a microwaved warm towel over the top of your plastic cap. Finish off this step by rinsing your hair out while separated in sections and move on to adding your leave-in conditioner and then styling. Step 5. Styling your hair. If Step 4 is the meat and potatoes of your regimen, this is definitely the dessert and will in essence determine how well you retain length. Nobody can tell you what the best style is for your hair, but I know from experience that in order to maintain growing hair, you need to be very careful with styling. For kinkier textures, stretched hair that is protected is best. This means braids, banding, or tension blow dry if you're on a monthly regimen. If you have a looser texture and plan to do wash and goes predominantly, you will need a good quality gel that is not drying and that is alcohol-free. There will be a lot of trial and error with regards to choosing a gel that is best for your hair texture. Other regimen additives. Number 1. Trimming. Pick a trimming schedule and stick with it. If you like to search and destroy monthly, then do that. If you prefer to straighten and trim properly every 3 months, then try to stay on that schedule so you can retain length and keep your ends healthy. Number 2. Heat styling. Some women prefer to keep their hair stretched using heat. You may want to consider roller sets as opposed to flat irons to keep your hair nicely stretched while reducing the amount of heat to your hair. Remember, however, if you're using heat regularly, you must use protein in your deep conditioner in alternating wash days. This is because regular use of heat is likely to increase the porosity of your hair, which will need protein to ensure that your hair retains moisture well. Number 3. Hair problems. Tweak your regimen according to any issues that may arise. For instance, if your hair is thinning, look for deep conditioning recipes that help with thinning, like the addition of essential oils. Use hot oil treatments to help alleviate dandruff. Try scalp massages nightly to reduce stress, and of course, be mindful of the hairstyles that you choose to avoid causing tension on your roots and edges. Number 4. Keep tweaking. Admittedly, this comes with practice. The more you deep condition and style your hair, the more you will notice if something seems off and what you need to do to fix it. If you need more protein, add more protein to your deep conditioning product. If you need more moisture, then avoid protein and add more moisturizing agents to your deep conditioner, including steaming your hair if necessary. Number 5, keep things simple. There is a temptation to tweak, and tweak yet again as your hair journey progresses, but it is definitely possible to overcomplicate things. Consistency is the one thing most likely to bring you success, so we urge you to keep things simple. Once you find your groove, you will find that there is zero need to deviate, regardless of what is trending. Thanks for watching. Do let us know in the comments what you think is the one thing that helped you the most to grow your hair. And of course, all the best in your hair journey.